Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Thanksgiving, and so my cousin is right there, and it's smoking Kimberly. There's a ton smoking that one. There's a fire.
Ricky, we are gonna be the hamster now, and I get to
Okay, should we so today I'm gonna so can we play hide and go seek? Just one round. Can we play hide and seek for just one round? So I'm gonna hide.
Wait, is it a tunnel?
It's gonna be. So I'm gonna go hide when you guys are done watching my video. You guys count to 20. No peeking, okay? No. Okay. Where should I hide? Should I hide outside or inside? Oh, I should hide in here. So guys, I'm hiding in here. So yeah, this is where I'm hiding. Come and find me! So yeah, I think they won't find me because they're trying to watch my YouTube channel. So yeah, guys. So yeah.
Doesn't look like it's that bad now.
Yeah. So, bye guys. See you tomorrow.
Oh, and fart sounds.
Fart sounds.
Fart sounds.
Fart sounds.
Fart sounds.
Raven, you're Tinkleberry.